Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to set Google Maps to motorcycle mode. Alright guys, so a quick one. You come to your Google Maps themselves. Now once you come to Google Maps, to set it to motorcycle mode, now let's assume guys you want to go somewhere. First of all, turn on the direction, tap on the direction. Now let's assume I want to travel from this place which is called the Rose Mall up to maybe Metroplex Shopping Center. Now you see, if you want to turn on motorcycle mode, tap on this motorcycle icon over here, and boom guys, the motorcycle mode will be turned on. This means Google estimates the distance you're going to cover or the time you're going to cover depending on the mode of transport. So you can see guys, here it's 6 minutes because we are using a motorcycle mode, same as the vehicle mode, and if you're walking it's gonna be 30 minutes. So basically that's it guys. Subscribe to our channel.